Hi, can you see me? Wait. Good morning, I guess. This is the standard of daily ish vlogs. Am I gonna get my camera from upstairs? Am I a responsible vlogger कि मैं अपनी बैटरीज चार्ज करके रखूँ और फिर कैमरा अपने साथ ला कर रखूँ कि सुबह उठते सारी hey guys, so I'm recording this from my phone. या बट हम इतना तो अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं कि मैं बेड से उठकर वो लाइट जगा के आया हूँ ताकि हम लोग एक दूसरे को देख सकें. अदरवाइज इट वुड हैव बीन लाइक हाय गाइस, it's 9:30 and I have no plans of getting up right now because I slept late. So the next clip that you're about to see is the digital intro of these vlogs. This is how we start with day one of the daily-ish vlogs. Cue my intro. What is this angle even? गुड मॉर्निंग एवरी वन. सो सुबह के बज चुके हैं 10:30 एंड मैं अभी उठा हूँ एंड आज संडे है. सो आज का प्लान कुछ खास नहीं है. इनफैक्ट कल रक्षाबंधन है. सो कल की प्रिपरेशंस. My mom is taking her Zoom classes. If you guys know, she's a teacher. So because of this whole COVID situation, वो हर रोज़ घर पर ही मतलब Zoom classes लेती है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. कूडोज टू हर. बट बेचारे बच्चे यार, मतलब संडे के दिन भी इस कोविड सिचुएशन में भी बेचारों को घर पे जूम से पढ़ना पड़ रहा है. आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ जूम क्लासेस. आई फील लाइक there is no comparison to classroom style teaching, but anyway that's a different debate. I've just woken up. अभी 10:30 बजे हैं एंड मैं अपने लिए थोड़ा सा क्या करने वाला हूँ हैं. मैं अपने लिए काढ़ा बनाने लगा हूँ. बेसिकली काढ़ा नहीं है. एवरी मॉर्निंग द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव इन द मॉर्निंग, थोड़ी सी हल्दी, थोड़ी सी काली मिर्च, लेमन एंड हनी in lukewarm water. That's what I have the first thing in the morning and it's supposed to be really good for your system. तो मैं वो करने वाला हूँ. Let's do it. Cheers, guys. This looks like orange or mango juice, but it tastes pathetic. I hate it. But it's good for your health, so cheers. Not nice. I'm taking this upstairs, and also I have to still charge my vlogging camera's battery because that's how responsible I am. Why is it not charging? There is no electricity. I'm gonna nap for another 15 minutes. Please don't fall. So I'm working and I'm having my breakfast, lunch situation. This is some paneer. This is a leftover from yesterday because my Nana ji, my Masi and my Nani and my cousins had come for dinner कल रात को. तो काफ़ी मज़े आए एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा खाना बना था. सो मॉम वाज लाइक बेटा जो कल का खाना बचा उसको आज फिनिश करना चाहिए. तो मैं वो खा रहा हूँ एंड आई एम ऑल्सो हैविंग दिस ब्रेड. इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज ब्रेड. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी. लेट इट फोकस. So it's a very strange kind of bread. My dad brings it. It's the immunity bread. It's a yellow colored bread and it has all the seeds in it. I don't know, nuts in it, and it's supposed to improve your immunity. So it's not so bad. ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू कि आपको वो जो ब्लॉग की स्टार्टिंग में व्लॉग इंट्रो आई थी, डिड यू गाइज लाइक इट? बिकॉज आई काइंड ऑफ लव इट. मी एंड माई सिस्टर वर वर्किंग ऑन इट, द एडिट ऑफ इट, एंड आई डोंट नो हमने कितनी बार सोचा कि कितनी ड्यूरेशन होनी चाहिए व्लॉग इंट्रो की. वट शुड बी द राइट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक विच इज नॉट सो अपबीट बट ऑल्सो नॉट सो लाइक sad and depressing, and what should be like how do we transition and कैसे हमें क्या effect लगाने हैं. तो I hope you guys like the vlog intro. अगर आपको पसंद आई तो let me know in the comments and thank you. और अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आई then make peace with it. आज I'm sorry I'm eating and chewing at the same time. आज I have to shoot an Instagram picture because I wanna tell you guys on Instagram and everywhere on social media that I'm daily-ish vlogging. So I wanna make some creatives and post like a good Instagram picture. That's one. Number two, actually most importantly, happy Friendships Day, because when you're watching this, Friendships Day कल था, मतलब आज Sunday के दिन, but मैं तो आज ही record कर रहा हूँ. So happy Friendships Day everyone. Mwah. You guys are my online friends and way better than a lot of my personal friends. No, but seriously, this past 1 month when I was just taking a break from social media and I was not posting enough, I could see so many pages on Instagram, all from you decoders, and you were continuously posting pictures and creative pictures and you know all the beautiful captions and edits, and मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये देखकर, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि even if I'm slightly inactive for some time, my decoders are like, you know what, don't worry, we are gonna still post pictures, and you know that just restores my faith into doing what I do, because it can get a little overwhelming. We can talk about it many times later, because अब ये daily होने वाला है, daily-ish. I'm not gonna say daily because again मैं अपने ऊपर वो pressure नहीं डालना चाहता that you know I do it for a week and then I'm like I'm done. So I'm gonna just keep it daily-ish. I'll try कि मैं I'm vlogging, so I'm not gonna put that pressure on myself कि मुझे हर रोज vlog डालना ही डालना है, but try करूँगा कि मैं हफ्ते में एक संडे का दिन या किसी एक दिन, ऐसा संडे है but कोई एक दिन मैं फ्री ले लूँ जिस दिन I'll just like chill and not worry about it. But in fact I love vlogging, and this is also the reason why I'm doing this on this channel and not on the Rajat Kot channel, is because that channel is about comedy videos, even though I've started posting vlogs there as well. But I guess most of the audience who subscribe to that channel initially subscribe to it क्योंकि उनको comedy videos देखनी थी, not necessarily my vlogs. तो ये एक vlog channel है जहाँ पर लोग आ सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं vlogs. I'm sorry, I'm being very mannerless, chewing and speaking, but this is how I talk to my family. This is the standard of daily vlogs, okay? This is how you this is what you're gonna get. तो you know उसमें मैं vlogs post करने लग पड़ा था, and you know again I have so many things to say, and I can distribute how much I have to say in the coming vlogs, but all I'm saying is that the reason that I'm doing it on this particular channel and not on the Rajat Kot, because Rajat Kot pe I want to still keep posting scripted content, and यहाँ पर I just want to be just me and say whatever I want to and do whatever I want to and not worry about the content values being diluted, because that's what I noticed कि you know एक तरफ मैं बहुत high produced videos डाल रहा था उस channel पे, and then suddenly my vlog comes which is like 20 minutes long, and then you know sometimes you have to worry people, you know, audience duration, attention span, whatever. This channel is just free of all of those conditions. यहाँ पर I'll just say what I want to say. It can be a 5-minute vlog, it can be a 28-minute vlog, it can be a 1 hour long vlog, who knows. I'm just gonna be doing it without any conditions. I'm gonna finish my breakfast or lunch or whatever you're gonna call it. What's the time right now? It's 12:32. It's definitely brunch. Alright, so I just made this announcement on all of my social medias that I am starting daily-ish vlogs from tomorrow. Let me show you. So this is the creative that I've made starting tomorrow, and I just posted a story as well. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I am starting daily-ish vlogs on my vlog channel. This is my vlog channel. I'll put a swipe up link. Swipe up, subscribe, because tomorrow the first vlog comes out. So vlogs अब से इसी channel पर आएंगे, रजत कोट पर नहीं आएंगे, and they'll be daily-ish. Hello. I am going to now get ready because like you can see I need to take a bath. And yeah, Sunday है, quarantine है, घर पे बैठिए. I'll see you guys. Also, I don't know if I have the footage from the time I was shooting these promotional pictures and the vlog intro that I shot. Let me tell you. So I set up lights in this room. Ignore that towel at the back. This is a plain wall, and I basically shot everything in front of this wall, which I'm very impressed with, because I was like, maybe I need like a solid white backdrop. I don't know what I'm gonna do. There are like a couple of ऐसे निशान and all, if you can see, ऐसे. But I did it finally, which is amazing. I'll insert a clip from the time I was shooting that vlog intro and those pictures right now. BTS of filming the intro for the Rajat Sharma channel. Rajat Sharma, it's a new channel. So this is where I see myself. My phone is connected to my camera, so if I stand here, you can see. Anyway, I'm gonna stop speaking and start bathing. Do you wanna come along? Do other vloggers also take a bath in front of you guys? Let me know. No, not that kind of vlog. I'm showered and clean, ready to go. Guys, this is what I'm wearing. Ignore the ceiling on the wall. This puppy on the wall is a part of my lifestyle. Stop it. Ria. Can you come and click a picture for me, please?
Sure.
Not in the frame as of now. You're not in the frame. My mom is telling me something motivational that I can use anywhere. You. This is my mom. Okay, come on, continue. Will you click my picture, please? Thank you. Okay, I don't know if I got the pictures because it's just so humid and I'm wiping my sweat, but let's see. Editing does a lot of magic in the pictures, so it feels so good to drive your own car after ages. Like, of course I've driven this car. I've forgotten English. मतलब मैं कार चला चुका हूँ जब से मैं मुंबई से यहाँ पे आया हूँ, बट ये कोविड की वजह से इतना बाहर जाना नहीं होता, तो अब जब भी मैं कार चलाता हूँ इट्स लाइक अ न्यू फीलिंग. ऑल्सो बिकॉज मैं मुंबई में था तो आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल इन लाइक ऑटो रिक्शास, तो अब अपनी कार चलाने का एक अलग ही मजा है. Also, don't worry, I have a mask here. I'm completely safe and I'm gonna wear that mask and then talk to you. So, chill. Why are you not wearing a mask? Don't you know it's social distancing? So, I was at this bakery and I just come down to get something and I realized it's Friendship's Day and you know there were kids outside the bakery, so I decided कि उनके लिए I can get them some pastries. So, hi. थैंक यू. ये इसमें 4 हैं तो आप सब लोग ले सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय. I'll show you guys something. These dogs, they know whenever I enter our locality. Let me show you. Wait. Hello. Hi. Cuties. चलो उधर. चलो. So I'm back and now me and my sister are gonna do some home workout. Yes, I've been on the health game. Health kick. Quarantine में खा के ना घर पे. So I'm gonna do some exercise and I'll see you guys post my workout. Workout done. Killer. जॉन रिया के लिए काटा है वो.
इसमें बिल्कुल एक तो नहीं है, दो ही बन रहे हैं.
Also, let me show you guys something. Is that the kheer? So my gem of an anima has sent us this big pot of kheer. Let me show you.
I cannot believe this.
Look at that. Just look at the coconut and almonds. Yum. Workout is done and I'm dead. I will end this vlog here. आज का दिन eventful भी था, chill भी था, and I think most of the vlogs will be just chilling and I hope you can join us on my journey of making these daily-ish vlogs. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button wherever it is, hit that bell icon because I'll be posting daily-ish vlogs. कल I'm very excited क्योंकि कल है रक्षाबंधन and मेरे cousins आएंगे कुछ मेरे बुआ की साइड से and हम नानी के घर जाएंगे for my maternal side cousins. I'm really looking forward for you all to be a part of that day with me because now we do these daily-ish vlogs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment करके बताना कि आपको मेरी digital intro and outro कैसी लगी because I kind of worked really hard on that. Until tomorrow, be nice to yourself, be nice to other people. Don't be so hard on yourself. Be positive, be happy, and don't forget to be the best and the happiest version of yourself. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Can't wait.